Done, guys. Anyone who has answered? Solved? Nobody solved it. It was just a one-step question. Done?
Pi by 4.
Yeah, n pi plus pi by 4 or 2n plus 1 pi. These are the two solutions. So what you can do is, you have here 1 minus cos x, cot x, minus cot x minus cos x is equal to 0. So what you can do is either club these two or these two. Okay, so let's club 1 minus cos x here, 1 minus cos x, and what you are left with here? So this is plus, sorry, this is plus.
Oh yes,
After you,
plus.
yeah. So take minus here and cot x is common. So you have again 1 plus cos x here is equal to 0. So you have two things here, 1 minus cot x and 1 plus cos x is equal to 0. So either one of them is equal to 0, you have to find the solution for cos x and cot x. So the answer for this question will be 2n plus 1 pi or n pi plus pi by 4. Done? Okay. So there are more questions on this type. You can do it after I send the PDF. We'll do type 2. So the type 2 is solving trigonometric equation by introducing auxiliary argument. What is auxiliary argument, guys? So we'll introduce an angle which is not there in the question. So suppose a question is given to you something like, just a minute, sin x plus cos x is equal to root 2. Now you are not able to convert sin x into cos x also, or cos x into sin x also. So what can you do here is you can introduce one more.
Multiply by 1 by root 2.
Yeah, so you can introduce one more angle. So that is basically you can multiply 1 by root 2 on both sides and then convert it into sine argument. I mean, if I multiply 1 by root 2 sine x, 1 by root 2 is sine pi by 4. Correct. So I'm introducing basically another auxiliary angle which is not present in the question. Okay. So for this, what we are going to suppose? We are going to suppose that there is this triangle. There's this triangle. There's A, B, R, and angle phi. And A is equal to cos phi and B is equal to R sin phi. No, right? So these two things we are going to assume. Okay. So and what else we are going to assume that tan phi is equal to B by A from the figure. Okay. So from the figure, we are going to assume these things and we are going to solve the question like this. So this question, I think hopefully you can do by sin x plus cos x is equal to root 2. This you can do. Sit, sit. What's the answer for this question? Sin x plus cos x is equal to root 2.
Pi by 4.
Yeah. So you will get 2n pi plus pi by 4. Okay. Similarly, you can do one more question. Do sec x minus 1 sec x minus 1 is equal to root 2 minus 1 times tan x. Do this question. 9, 9, 9, 9. To mark out. Done, everyone? I think enough time for this is given. Any idea anyone has done? Solve the question.
2 and pi.
What is the answer?
Is equal to 2 and pi.
It's n pi plus pi by 4. I'll tell you how to do this. Square this on both sides. Square the equation on both sides. What do you get?
Weekend x minus 1 whole square is equal to root 2 minus 1 whole square tan square
Yeah.
x.
So root 2 minus 1 whole square into tan square x on the right hand side. Correct? Now expand on LHS and RHS. So if you expand on LHS and RHS, I think you will get this. I'll just write it here. Sec square x plus 1 minus 2 sec x is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 sec square x minus 1. Okay, you will get this. Now from here what you can do is you can take all the values on the left hand side itself. So after solving you will get something like this. 2 sec square x minus 1 plus root 2 minus 2 sec x plus 4 minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so now this becomes again a quadratic in sec x. So you can solve here to find the value of sec x. What is the value of sec x? Tell me fast. Done. So you have to rationalize this in this way, and then you'll get the answer. Okay. Okay, now the third type is this one. So I'm clearing all of this. I'm giving you a question on the type 3. People can try, then I'll tell you what type 3 is all about. Sin x plus sin 5x is equal to sin 2x plus sin 4x. So from this you would have got an idea that you can't solve it in these multiple angle forms. So what you have to do is you can combine it into a product form. So this is given into a sum format where you have plus everywhere. So you can convert it into the product format as 2 sine 3x, which is a plus b by 2, and cos b minus a by 2 that will be 2x is equal to 2 sine 3x cos x. Now please be careful that you don't cancel out these things, because you will be missing out on one solution. So you can just you can transfer these values here. So that will be sine 3x cos 2x minus sine 3x cos x is equal to 0. So now you can take common here, sine 3x cos 2x minus cos x. So these are two solutions. you'll get the value x is equal to n pi by 3 or 2n pi or 2n pi by 3. So the third type is transforming the sum into product format. Okay. Now the fourth type is the ulta of the third type. That is transforming a product of trigonometric functions into a sum. You can write the headings that I'm telling, but it's not important. You can just write type 3, type 4. So there's this question on type 4 that you can write. Sine 3 theta is equal to 4 sine theta, sine 2 theta, sine 4 theta. Do this. This will be the last question for today. And there are 2 more or 3 more types remaining. We'll do it in the next class because those are lengthy ones. Please give me answer for this question. You people have been quiet for all of the question that I've given before. चलेंगे तो चलेंगे. So what you can do here is you can write 2 theta as 3 theta minus theta and write 4 theta as 3 theta plus theta and expand these. So if you expand these, then what is the answer that you get? You get 4 sine theta sine square 3 theta minus sine square theta. Okay, now you can just transfer this right hand side value to the left hand side. Okay, so what do you, can I clear all of this? Then I can write the full answer here. So on the left hand side, if you transfer, what do you have on the left hand side? You have sine 3 theta plus 4 sine cube theta is equal to 4 sine theta sine square 3 theta. Okay. Now what you can do here is, try involving, guys, because then you won't learn.
Sine 3 theta formula.
Yeah, convert sine 3 theta. How can you write sine 3 theta?
3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta.
Good. 3 sine theta minus 1 minus
4 sine cube theta
4 sine cube theta divided by anything here. That's it.
no. Yes, ma'am.
Plus 4 sine cube theta is equal to 4 sine square 4 sine theta sine square 3 theta. So this gets cancelled. So you have either sine theta is equal to 0. After bringing it here and taking sine theta common, you have either sine theta is equal to 0 or sine square 3 theta is equal to 3 by 4. That's what you have. Right? So you can write for this is theta is equal to n pi for this one. And here you can write as 3 theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3 from the square formulas that I had given to you. Okay, guys. All the other types we'll do in the next class, and I'll send you the PDF so you can start solving or practicing all these type 4, so you don't have a confusion in the other types that we will be doing in the next class. Okay, was this easy? Any difficulty in absorbing this?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, fine. So I'll end the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.